Want to stream your favorite video games to your friends, host a private movie night, or share your screen workspace for a quick troubleshooting session? Discord's high-speed screen sharing system makes broadcasting your desktop or mobile display smooth and incredibly easy. Let's set it up. First, join any voice channel inside your preferred Discord server. Look at the absolute bottom left corner area right above your profile card layout. You will see a dedicated action control panel containing a small monitor screen icon labeled Share Your Screen. Click on it. A pop-up selection interface window will appear on screen instantly, split cleanly into two distinct navigation tabs, Applications and Screens. If you only want to stream a specific window, like a single running video game or a web browser, select it under the Applications tab. This is great for privacy because if you minimize that app, your friends won't see the rest of your desktop screen layout. But if you want to share your entire desktop window workspace, click over to the Screens tab and select Screen 1. Next, let's configure your stream quality metrics parameters below. Choose your preferred broadcasting frame rate and streaming resolution blocks. If this screen sharing guide made your streaming setup easy and fun, make sure to drop a smash on that like button and subscribe to the channel for more awesome technology tutorials. See you next time.